Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to another video. As you can see from the title, inshallah ta'ala, we'll be doing a calisthenics workshop here in Medina University, inshallah. I'm a bit late. I need to go, inshallah, to the bus. So yeah, see you guys in the next clip. Let's go. We're on our way, inshallah. Let's go. Hey, nice. See you. Salam alaikum, son. Active, mashallah. He's good. Ready, yeah? Alhamdulillah. Ready, yeah? Ready. Huh? No, you're filming and training. Shut up. I'm ready, bro. Ready? Let's go.
Energy you need, man. Activated.
He is active. Muhtaram is active. Hussein is active. We are all active. Activate. We out here. Finally did. Yeah, he's tired. Yeah, 10 out. Let's go. Vamos, inshallah. Kita starting 11, mashallah. Well, muhtaram. Beast. This guy is the most energized one. So we got down, yeah? And they were like, glow is actually, glow is glowing. But you know what else is not glowing though?
Yeah.
The same thing. We literally, we're counting because we need 11 brothers. We're like, this is 10. Where's 11th? Saying what was left at the bus, subhanAllah. So we're gonna wait until he comes back, inshallah.
Fall asleep or something?
Fell asleep, bro.
Is actually glowing though.
Let's see this glow. Come here, let's see this glow.
I'm telling you, glowing.
Well, this guy
The bus driver is vexed, bro. The bus driver is vexed, man. Is he awake?
Just go inside.
صباح
كثير مايك ما في نوم
والله يا حسين
ماشي منقاه
Bro, you know what happened? We dropped and you went with the bus, bro. You're by yourself, man. He's so confused. Bro. Yalla, let's go. We're here.
أنا منقاه بس
You good, yeah? It's been long, man. Gym come true back in the ends, bro. Yeah, Mr. Bodybuilder went to the weight straight away, man. We're here, alhamdulillah, at the park. Medina Uni with the brothers, alhamdulillah. But yeah, we're gonna get active now. Alhamdulillah is where we link these two things of deen and fitness. Alhamdulillah, we're here in the university. We're gonna run through the basics and fundamentals of calisthenics. What is calisthenics? What how can it help you? Perhaps you can actually take this on board, inshallah ta'ala, and actually use it in your training, inshallah. As for me, it is effective and it works in a lot of ways for me in terms of my deen, my iman, my actual physical build. Like I actually get a very, alhamdulillah, aesthetic build. Calisthenics comes from the Greek word kalos, which basically means aesthetic body, and it literally lives up to it. Like the build you get from calisthenics is aesthetic, and this requires obviously implements bodyweight training such as pull-ups, push-ups, and this, which is the fundamentals.
In the bodybuilding, you gain the muscle real quick, but once you stop doing it, you can lose it quickly. Whereas in calisthenics, whereas in calisthenics, it's a slow progress. You get a slow gain, but at the same time, it's harder to lose it. So this shows that in calisthenics, it's pure strength.
You're like this, right? You have that. Your knees are in the right angle. Everything goes up, chest to bar, and done. Okay, chest to bar, and done. Right. This is very good as a regression. Right. Also, what you can do is a negative pose. Negative pose, right? You want to demonstrate?
Like this.
Over there? That one here, yeah. So negative pull-ups is basically mixing a positive with a negative.
So
right? Come here for better. Because you want to...
So you need to literally jump up, hold.
And you bring it down. You get me? So this is positive and negative, right? Yeah. And this will allow you to accumulate. This is what I want, boys, right? Going too deep is going to really, yeah, that's a big problem, right? Like this is perfect, right? And then you're going up. And then again,
come down.
And up. See that 90? You want to hit that 90. If you can get that 90, that's perfect. Up, right? Engage the core, feet straight, right? Obviously, if you're tall, then you can bend them. But I don't recommend crossing them because what happens when you cross them? You're not engaging the core fully. Does that make sense? All right. So let me go. When you're up, you don't want to be like this. You want to be protracted.
Yeah.
Does that make sense? okay? Because you're engaging that core. Now I'm gonna tuck in my feet. I'm not gonna do this. I'm not engaging the core. I'm gonna be like this, okay? Chin to the chest, down, up, okay? Down, up, okay? Down, up. Now obviously, if you guys don't have the core, you're gonna find yourself just swaying up and back, right? Which is something that's it's common with the dips, but to maintain that, just engage the core, boys. So look, high pull up, keep everything engaged, yeah? Straight by dip. See? And down. And now look at the momentum. Up. So again. And up. Momentum. See? Once you do the first one, the second, third, and fourth will be easy to do. Everything that we applied with for the push-ups, for the pull-ups, for the dips is gonna be applied here as well. Right, so look. Okay? That a lot of people tend to struggle with, right? If you're like this, it's very difficult just to get a muscle up straight away. Very difficult. So what you have to do is what they call it's a pendulum swing. So you start from here, and then you go in. When you're here, when you're at this point, that's where you shoot up. Okay, so look, swing in. I'm up. Okay, and then I'm here again, out, and when I'm here, I'm going up. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 5 pull-ups. Let's go. 1, 2. Let's work. Yalla. 3, 4. Push. 5. Money. Let's go. Okay, now we're doing 10 pushes on the ground. Let's go. 10. 2, 3, 4. So alhamdulillah, finished our. We have my mic, right?
Oh yeah.
We're probably hearing Ammar's. Oh, we have it. Okay. But we have finished alhamdulillah our session, boys. We're about going home.
Pumped up.
Yeah.
We didn't get kicked out.
Alhamdulillah, didn't get kicked out. We done our thing. Brothers got active. Hope you guys enjoyed as well, inshallah. But we have a second session after tomorrow, inshallah ta'ala, and that's where the challenges and more fun stuff will be. But that was a quick one in Medina University, alhamdulillah. And yeah, we're going back out to lunch. I'll see you guys in the next one.
You guys have seen, alhamdulillah, this is the end of the trip. We just ate. I was just tired to record it, but alhamdulillah, we finished. Very good session, solid session with the boys. Now I'm gonna get some rest. Got a long day ahead, but yeah, alhamdulillah, barakallahu feekum for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Assalamu alaikum.